My guy friends completely shattered my boyfriend's confidence, and now I'm terrified he'll leave me. Here's the full story. I have 3 guy friends, and while they are my only friends, we used to be very close. The thing is, I've been intimate with all 3 of them in the past multiple times, even together. But that was years ago when we were younger and reckless. Since then, we've moved on. 2 of them are now in long-term relationships with 2 of my best friends, and everyone, including them, knows about our history. Fast forward to now. I've been with my boyfriend for a year, and he's everything I've ever wanted. He's sweet, loving, and my end-game partner. The problem? He's a little insecure, and understandably so. I'm his first real relationship, and he knows about my past with my guy friends. I've assured him that it's all in the past, that I'm completely over them, and he's all I need. I even made my guy friends promise never to bring it up out of respect for him and our relationship. But that promise, it didn't mean a thing. The other night, we were all hanging out. I left with one friend to grab some snacks, and when I got back, something felt off. My boyfriend's entire mood had changed. He tried to brush it off, but I could tell something was bothering him. When we got back to my place, I pressed him about it. That's when he dropped the bombshell. While I was gone, my guy friends had been making disgusting jokes about our past. They called him an Eskimo brother, said he'd gotten the leftovers, and even made comments about how he must be amazing if he could satisfy me in ways they couldn't. I was absolutely livid. I confronted them right away, but they brushed it off, saying they were just trying to man up my boyfriend because they knew he felt insecure. Man up? They crossed every boundary I had set and completely disrespected both of us. My boyfriend tried to save face, saying, "The past is a past," but I could see how deeply hurt he was. That's when I made a decision. I cut off those friends for good. No explanations, no second chances. They disrespected my boyfriend. They disrespected me. And they proved they weren't real friends. My best friends, however, didn't see it that way. They said I was overreacting and making a big deal out of nothing. But how is locking my boyfriend and our relationship nothing? It didn't end there. My boyfriend finally opened up to me. He admitted he appreciated me cutting them off, but also revealed something that broke my heart. He told me he felt inadequate and said, "How am I supposed to compare? I'm just one guy." Hearing that crushed me because it was my fault. I had shared his insecurities with the wrong people. I apologized over and over, promising I'd never betray his trust like that again. He also set a clear boundary: no more hanging out with former partners. He said he wouldn't freak out if we ran into one at a party, but he didn't want them in our circle, which I completely respect. As for my so-called friends, one of my best friends actually reached out, apologized, and broke up with her boyfriend after realizing how toxic he was. The other? Silence. I blocked both of them and cut ties completely. It's been a few weeks since the fallout, and I'm happy to say my boyfriend and I are in a much better place. I've done everything I can to show him how much he means to me, cooking his favorite meals, buying him thoughtful gifts, and constantly reassuring him that he's more than enough. He's regained his confidence, and our bond feels stronger than ever. Looking back, I've learned so much about who I can trust and how to prioritize my relationship. Cutting off those friends was the best decision I could have made. While I know no relationship is perfect, I'm determined to be the best partner I can be and never let anything like this happen again.